we're going to discuss about a topic called Health Education Program in India in the case of COVID-19, which has become a pandemic in a very short period of time and where everyone aware of this one these days. So here we need to know what is health education or promotion. Health education is kind of strategy for implementing health promotion. Like is any combination of learning experiences designed to help individuals and communities improve their health by increasing their knowledge or influencing their attitudes. Health education directly aimed at individuals or groups with the purpose of changing behavior by communicating information to change attitudes and provide awareness and developing skills. So here we need to know something like what does it mean? What does health education suggest? And what's the primary role of health education? Is to facilitate the learning process and help the individual or community to make informed decision about health or disease issues. The WHO, which means World Health Organization, define health education as comprising, which means consists of consciously constructed opportunities for learning involving some form of communication designed to improve health literacy, including improving knowledge and developing life skills which are conducive to individual and community health. Health education can be defined as a principle by which individuals and groups of people learn to behave in a manner conducive to the promotion, maintenance, or restoration of health. However, as there are multiple definitions of health, there are also multiple definitions of health education. Here, we need to know about the aims of health education program, like principles and concepts, to develop a sense of responsibility for health conditions as individuals, as members of families, communities, which means promotion, prevention of disease, and early diagnosis and management. The second one, to promote and wisely use the available health services. And the third one, to be part of all education and to continue throughout whole span of life. So these are the three aims of health education program. So here, as I previously discussed, it's about COVID-19. It has reached a pandemic in very short period of time. This becomes crucial for governments all over the world to interfere swiftly to prevent the disaster. From our view, and Government of India urge to follow some rules and educate people on how to survive this situation. So here we are going to discuss about what's the main role played by health education program during this pandemic for COVID-19 in India. As COVID-19 is a droplet spread infection, it's important to follow certain regulations and rules like stay home and stay safe. Stay clean and sanitize frequently, which means clean your hands often by using soap and water or any alcohol based hand rub called sanitizer. Like cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Disinfect the place you live regularly, which means like example houses or wherever you live, and practice social distancing when you go out and wear a mask. If any symptoms, like common symptoms include fever, tiredness, dry cough. Some people may also experience aches and pains, nasal congestion, runny nose, sore throat, diarrhea. You should contact a doctor immediately. So the other steps taken by Government of India during this pandemic of COVID-19. Imposed country-wise lockdown, said no to the social gatherings, airlifted and quarantined stuck Indians, denied unnecessary transportation, visa were temporarily suspended, monitoring the containment zone strictly, door-to-door testing to primary contacts, purchasing crops and providing it to the poor, hike in the research on the vaccine development.